A blow-dried natural hair with perfectly trimmed split ends is the epitome of healthy, well-maintained hair. The blowout adds smoothness and volume, allowing the hair's natural texture to shine. Welcome back to my channel, and this is Deborah. Let's take a short break.
In the hands of Deborah, magic comes alive. Every twist, every braid brings beauty to life. From deep to micro, her passion shines so bright. In every strand she touches, there's love in every
If
sight.
you're yet to click on the subscribe button, you're very wrong. If you're yet to do so, kindly do so right now and Okay, so a flat twist on a blow-dried natural hair is a perfect way to achieve a smooth and defined style. Alright, blow drying before twisting the natural hair helps stretch the hair. It reduces tangles. It makes it easier to work with, especially when you have the mousse. Everything just goes on smoothly. Apart from the fact that you blow dry your hair and you style it, doing this flat twist on a blow dried natural hair is another game changer. The result is cleaner, it is more polished, it brings out a more polished twist with a better definition. Additionally, blow dried hair holds the twist pattern longer, and it creates a fuller, a more voluminous look. It makes it the ideal makes the ideal preparation for a sleek, long-lasting flat twist style. So when next you're going to get a flat twist done, can you see how smoothly it's going right here? Get a blow dry. I am not saying you should blow dry your hair every month. You all know you need to stay away from it, and blow drying should only be done at least twice in a year. That's if you did not do it at all. That's just it. So when next you want to do a flat twist, try this method and you will definitely see the difference. See you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching.